There you are.
Dad, the bunny and I got a photo together.
Let's see. Oh, that's a great photo.
Hello, Yeon.
Hello, how are you?
How do you know Naya?
When I was working here, I heard about her illness.
Ah, I see.
She looks better now.
She is. Thanks to everyone's help. She's been getting a lot better.
Thank you very much.
You just keep being strong now.